Good morning. I'm retightening my hair and I noticed that I have a lock that needs to be repaired. I don't know if you can tell, but it's loose right here and then it gets thin. And so I want to try to repair it by interlocking just this section, and hopefully that will strengthen it and my hair won't break. So when I repair, I just use the same process, but I go right here through the area that's weak. And then I just try to use a multi-point rotation. Sometimes it's kind of hard. And because it's not the base of my hair, I can't really tell if I'm truly going in different sides of the hair, but I do the best that I can. And I'm being very gentle. I probably should have sprayed it a little bit so it's just a little bit damp. And you see it's starting to tighten up. You can see it's starting to look better already. There's still some area that needs to be strengthened. There's still some gaps. And you can see, I don't know if you can see, yeah, right there. So I need to go across perpendicular through that so that I don't just create a hole. And just going once pretty much took care of it.
Not yet. Oh, I found it.
Okay. Looks better. It's still thin. It's thinner right there, so I don't know what I can do. I'll have to do some research to see if I can repair thinning locks. But the gap right there is gone. So now I'm going to retighten this one. So on my hairline, I like to start my rotation from the hairline going in, and I do a 4-point rotation. It's actually easier for me to do this closing my eyes because then I'm going by what I feel instead of what I see, because when I try to go by what I see, I get a little distracted. But when I let my fingers guide me, it's a little bit better. And that feels tight already, so I'm just going to leave it there. It's still a little bit. There's still a little bit of hair on the edge, but That won't go in the lock and I won't try to force it.